Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Telegram stars in TonKeeper. So for you to do that, you have to tap on the TonKeeper app on your iPhone. Then after that, then you tap at this option, browser. Once you do that, then you scroll down a little. Okay, you scroll down and under NFT, scroll down and search for NFT. Then when you get NFT, then under it, then tap out fragment. Then you go scroll a little. Okay, good. This is what I'm looking for, stars. Then you tap at this option, stars. You can see buy Telegram stars. So for you to buy Telegram stars, you have to connect your TonKeeper wallet to this particular platform called Fragment. Once you do that, then once your wallet and this platform is connected to each other, then you can make purchase, any stars of your choice, then you can use it in Telegram. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.